welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing this makeup look. If you guys want to watch how I did this makeup, just keep on watching.
So starting off with my bare face, I'm using my Aloe Smoothing Sun Cream with SPF 50. I'm just gonna apply it with circular motions. While I'm doing my makeup, I'm also using my lighted vanity mirror with LED. And for the next step, I'm using my Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. And I'm using a beauty sponge to pat that in. As always, for my eyebrow, I'm using the Anastasia. There are times na nangyari talaga to. And now I'm using the Too Faced Natural Matte to contour my nose. Moving on, this is my new favorite now. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the shade of Rose. And I use I Envy brand for my eyelashes. To moisturize my lips, I'm gonna use the Vaseline. And for this look, I'm gonna be using the Dior Lip Gloss. And I'm gonna finish this look with a highlighter by Maybelline, the Master Scrubbing Stick, illuminating in the shade of 100. Now it's time for my hair. Since your girl didn't take a shower, I'm using the dry shampoo, the Patty Stay.
That is it guys for this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!